In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access System available here. Now click on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and following that, Gboard. Finally, after selecting text correction, click on gray switcher next to suggestion strip to activate it. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that suggestion strip is now visible. If you want to access the same section in settings in the future, all you need to do is click on gear icon at the top of your keyboard to get transferred right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!